Welcome back to my tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to combine all the knowledge that we have gathered till now. So basically we are going to create a user assigned table space, grant, connect, grant, resource, and DBA. Then from next tutorial we will use Toad. So if you haven't downloaded Toad, or if you don't have Toad on your machine, so you can simply go to the Google and download trial version of the Toad. So type Toad expert edition or something like that, then go to this URL, then you will be able to download Toad from here, not this URL. Sorry for that. So let me see. Yeah, so even you can go to the quiz.com/register. Let me see whether no, or you can simply search here. Oh yeah, enter your username, enter your email here, then check this, the agreement condition, then download free trial and install on your machine. I have already downloaded and installed on my machine, so let's start our tutorial. And for that I would like to log in as a sys user, SQL plus sys as sysdba. So I'm connected, so I'm gonna create one user with username toad underscore user, identified by toad user. Then I'm gonna use table space that I created in my previous video, that was with the name new aura, and then I will assign the quota as unlimited, new aura. So I don't know what was the error here. Create table. Okay, then I think I made some kind of typo error here. Let me see, what was that? Oh yeah, default. I was supposed to use table space. Then let me quota unlimited on. So user is created, so let's grant connect to user. So grant succeeded. Then next, grant resource comma DBA to user. So this user has got a DB and a resource grant. That means you will be able to insert, update, delete, and perform any operation that DB can perform. So we don't have to provide a grant, insert, select, delete for this user. So guys, hope you like this video, and I'm confident that you have already installed Toad on your machine.